Hello everybody, and today we're going to discuss about social media, and the topic for today will be using APIs from social media platforms that will be like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, or any other media platform. So here's a brief profile on myself. My name is Harsh. I finished my university, my bachelor's, that's in 2018, and currently I work as an ICT consultant at Fringe Tech Technologies. So today's discussions will be about technologies that I've used, social mediums that I selected, that will be Twitter and Reddit. Then we'll have a brief demo on how an API from the social media platforms are connected. That will be Twitter API and Reddit API to post some data into a Twitter page or Reddit page. So let's get started. So technologies that I used for backend will be Flask for web development, and the backend scripting was done using Python. And for front end, I used Bootstrap, that is HTML5, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript inside it. So in today's world, we have different social media platforms, that is Google+, Indeed, Instagram, this is Pinterest, we have YouTube, we have Facebook, Twitter. So today we're going to focus on two of the social media platforms, that will be Twitter and Reddit. We'll try connecting to their APIs and posting some data there. So for the first API, I used two methods, that is post and get method. So for the post method, I created a form that is very simple. After making a simple connection to the API, it takes a post and redirects it to a user's Twitter account, and a get method that uses or fetches data from the account. For example, I will show you in a while. So the results of the get and post methods are here. For the post methods and the get methods, this is fetching data from the API, that is my Twitter handle, as well as how many followers I have. I can get that, and this is the form that I posted. Here is the Twitter post details that I posted. For example, I did hello from Flask 1. There it is, it shows hello from Flask 1. And as well as the web application also returns a form that says tweeted hello from Flask 1. So for the second social medium account, I used Reddit. So here is a post for Reddit, a simple form that was created, the text, title and body, and posts it to the Reddit account as well. So this is a successful post that was made, and here is a sample of connections that I had to make. So without wasting any time, let's go to the live demo. Here we go for the first part. So first of all, I had to set up my Twitter API here. So I had to take my consumer's key secret token secret. I had to pass it and connect it to my Twitter handle. Same I had to do with Reddit account. I had to create a developer account with them and create a test application where all the client secret, client ID, was, and I will just show it to you. So for developer account, we go to developer.twitter.com. Go to my apps, platforms, use cases, and products. There it is, Twitter API. So here is the developer account that has been loaded up. So we'll click into our first project, select the project name, and set our app permissions to read and write from edit. Select that and save it. Since I already saved, I will not click anything here. And after that, you have to click on keys and tokens to get the consumer keys and the access token and the secret as well. So that's for Twitter. Let's go to Reddit account as well. So in Reddit account, we need to go to /press/apps. So you have to create an app here. As you can see, I've already created one application here that is for API and that testing purposes. So I can show it to you guys. So I had to get the ID and the secret from here. This is my developer name, the name of the application, a description, a brief description about the application, and the URL that I'll be redirecting all this data from will be the local host, since I'm hosting the application locally on my PC. So now we're going to create a simple post from Twitter, or to Twitter, sorry. Twitter, I'll say day in, day out sunsets. So we'll post that. As you can see, the application is quite responsive, and it says tweeted day in, day out on sunsets. We'll head to our Twitter handle and refresh. There is our tweet, day in, day out sunsets. Now let's go on and try fetching all this data from Twitter. That will be the amount of followers I have on my page plus all the tweets I've made. So back to the Flask application, click on home and enter the Twitter user ID. So we'll say get tweets, and there we go. For this username, that's my account, has 6 Twitter followers, all tweeted by myself or by me, and this is the latest tweet that I've made and all the other testing tweets that I've created in the past as well. So we'll head back to home and go and try to paste it to Reddit now. So I'll say hello world, hello world, post. As you can see, it says head and text hello world, hello world. This shows that it has been posted successfully, and we'll confirm that in Sandslot. We'll refresh Python Sandslot, and there we go. We have a successful tweet. Hello world, both sides. To make this more interesting, we can try and change the success page and create or show a user that he or she has successfully posted a post to Reddit. That we can introduce a h1 tag, that's a header tag, and say we can use a h3 tag because h1 will be so big in size. You can say h3 successfully posted to database to Reddit account, sorry. There we go. Refresh it and post something new. Hello world 1. Hello world 1. And I'll post it again. Date is successfully posted to Reddit. We can even change the font color for h3 tags if we'd like to do that. And there we go. So h3 color black. Oh, there we go. The color changed to black. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Bye bye. See you next time.